This video will show the integration with Microsoft Dynamics AX in PlanetTogether Galaxy. We'll begin by creating a brand new production order here in AX. We'll go ahead and open up the order form, enter item 1171. And we're going to enter some special quantities and dates here to easily track this order once it's entered and visible in Galaxy. So I'll enter a quantity of 1099 and we'll give it a delivery date of 2007 to really make it stand out. As we move through the demonstration here, you'll see that there are two mouse arrows moving, and that's because I'm controlling the AX and Galaxy installation from a virtual machine. I'm going to tab over here to Galaxy, and to bring in information into PlanetTogether Galaxy from external sources, we refresh the data. And as that's going out, you have choices about the integration with Dynamics AX. The standard integration, of course, works off the shelf, but it's very common to go ahead and modify the standard integration to accommodate your own rules and constraints. I can also check on the status of my jobs by going down to the Jobs tab here, and we'll see that as the refresh completes, we have one new production order or job that's available to be scheduled. And of course, that's the order we just entered in AX. Now, rather than dragging and dropping that job onto the screen, I'm going to optimize it in, following all of my rules and obeying the constraints across all of my resources. As we go back to the Gantt chart, we'll see right here up on Resource 101, as we point the mouse arrow to that production order, you'll see that information that we just entered in AX, the quantities and delivery dates, and there's of course a lot of other supporting details that we might want to see as we focus in on that job. For example, we can right mouse click on the production operation and we'll just view a Gantt chart for that particular job showing the two operations that are involved in the routing, as well as the detailed listing of each material requirement and constraints that pertain to each operation. Those are the little text lines underneath each colored operation block. So you can see quite a bit of information comes in from AX, and of course the idea would be to go ahead and move things around in your schedule, maybe optimize a little differently. When you're done, you click that Publish button, and that sends the brand new schedule information back into AX, therefore closing the loop. This short demonstration was intended to give you some good ideas about how Dynamics AX and PlanetTogether Galaxy work together, and definitely feel free to give us a contact here at PlanetTogether.com. We're happy to answer questions about integration with AX and other systems as well. Thanks.